Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know so this is the skiller. You see it? Now, me have something else I want for sure. No. You see me? And me know so enough people are gonna find it surprising. But I bet enough of you never know say you could have transport in a house. Pan top of one trailer or one truck back. You see me? Now, because a house make out a board as according to where a man in that video that did say. You see me? Because a house make out a board. That no mean say it no value. That a one big point that man make, you see me? Yeah. And another point is this show you say when somebody tired to live one place and you get ready and just move. Call the truck, move everything, all the house. You see me I say? Yeah. So anyway, this where you see the scene where I look on right here, so down in a Westmoreland. You see me? Yeah, the real old Westmoreland, the country setting. You see me? I say the type of setting where we know so enough people that love to have with the peace and the quiet and the bird and everything. You see? Now, me only ever give you the settings where you see a little of the traveling, plus when them reach and all these things. You see me? I say, so you don't know the thing already. Me just I'm gonna take a good look for yourself and see it. Alright? Take on the time and go and observe with me. You see it?
We're at a pause because they have reached where they are going to place the house, and so it's taking a little time. The driver is an expert. Over 20 years experience doing this kind of work. I know him very well. He's worked for me on different projects as well, so that's how well I know him. So they will now put the house. You can see that you see the kind of house is a yes sir. Is a two-part house. That look a regular shabby. That look a regular house now. It's a two-part house. And so you will see. In a little while I will speak to the driver, who is my very good friend and worker. For you to get a better understanding and appreciation of how we do things in Westmoreland. We don't do things like how other people do it. You know, we are a very creative and industrious people, and so we do it differently. Yeah man, we now move from here, so man, them driver. Yeah man.
Somebody behind you, man.
Yeah, me understand. So me Prento! See boy there named Prento, no not boy, see man there named Prento. Him are the tractor driver, you know. Skillful. May I show you my ugly stepfather? Oh, ugly stepfather. See him the shabby name. I him that. So people, if you say a man ugly so, you talk. He used to handsome one time, but he sin. Then making you get ugly. I follow me, hey, you know for how far I follow you, man. You understand me? You don't need them kind of expert assistance what me I give. You understand me? So if you have manners, yeah. See the people. Say hello to Shabby. Shabby, hello people, man.
Hello, man.
Tell up how many people them say, man, you know the manners, man. Me tell you now. When I represent the parish of it. When you say mom, you think half a woman alone me talk to?
How you talk?
Go ahead, man. Prento! Yeah man, go arrest yourself, man. See 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom apartment, man. Prento! Lock off the tractor and come. You're ugly. Don't waste spoil all my people them and my friend them.
Work it.
Ah, go on, brother. Respect, man. Is it to them there?
Oh, you are paying me, man. 2 years off, man. Sitting on come.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Me not be sorry, man.
Yeah, man. Some man has spent too much on our house, man. We are showing how of it deal with us.
Yeah,
You understand me? How way I go? Me don't want to see you, no, man. Oh. Me not hug no man, no, sir.
We have million. We have course we have only like a
See him there? Him that man, the tractor driver, I say shot. Him, the little man, they have a tractor bend up all around the place. So see it now, at them black at the house I go up on. People don't need to understand how to deal with us. A lot of people in Jamaica are front on board house, and when them go foreign and hit them living there, them don't understand. You understand me? A man believes to say no because a house is made out of board, it does have no value. It is stupidness. You understand me? A lot of houses in the international community are made from board. You understand? But it's how those people treat the board in a certain kind of way. So sometimes you don't even know or realize that it is board. But that's it go. Anyway, we're not tarry too long, you know. What, sir? My God. Most things, you know. Most things, man. Man has a respect here, sir. Alright, my boss. Cool. Tell no worry yourself, man. I'll come check on you soon.
You know how much people would have do well with something like this? Eh? You see it? Yeah, you see what I got? The man building house. And from him building house, make sure say you have the floor, make out a board, everything. This man who make this house have a plan from day one. You see, this man have a plan from day one. You see? Yeah, man. So basically, me can't tell you what gonna happen right here, saying not more than all those black and them thing the way you say. You see me as in goodly make a thing where they call name pillar. Yeah, pillar is like a casting, maybe about 6 or maybe a dozen. Who knows the amount of them are making? You see me I say, and if they make them in a beam, where they connect all of the pillar together and make the foundation more stronger. You see, the only thing I'm gonna more to advise them for say, to do with this right here, so is to bolt. Like find a way to bolt down the house because you don't know the whole hurricane thing. You know that is the next thing to you have to understand. You can't just build the house and have it like that. You see me? Yeah, you have to build it and bolt it down, secure it because of the whole hurricane event. Because you know hurricane go on in Jamaica already, you know, man. Hurricane no normal hurricane. You take up the whole of that and dash it away. You see it? But it look like a long time you have the house there still. You see me? It look like a long time, you see it? Because believe me, if him pass hurricane with that already, him will pass it again. That me I tell you. You see it? And how he get it on the truck. And that's my biggest thing I look on. You see me I say because me look on some strap I go cross. Me see some strap because you have to put some strap cross it in it. If you see me, if I lift or no lift it. I mean no say no 1 man, no 5 man settings that a couple man well lift that. So him strap it up to make sure so when you lift it, it not twist and bend up and all them things there. You see me I say? Yeah, that's what me believe still. You see it? But Jano, this incredible, this not normal. You see it? Alright? Well anyways, my people, you don't know dancehall skill I'm gonna try to make you see what go on in Jamaica. This is a nice thing. You just see what go on in Jamaica. You see me I say? A trying person, somebody where I make life. You see me I say? This man building house and set it away where when he ready to move, he can move everything. Cause you know say a whole heap of lease land thing. So if you lease the land and the landlord say time to go, yeah man, me ready to go. Everything gone. You see me I say? Yeah, without any damages. Yo, this not normal. This big, you see it? Yeah man. My uncle up say, wanna just get the full settings. You see me I say? Oh yeah, what me that say to you now? This way is right here, so I in Westmoreland, Jamaica. You see it? Yeah, a man decides it's time to move and he move the whole house. How him get it on the truck, I don't know. But all me know, it happened. You see me I say, and this big brother I really and truly follow them to the last T. It look like he know them too. You see me I say. Anyways, I don't know the thing go already. But I'm going to keep you up to date with what going on in Jamaica. I'm going to enjoy that little scene. You can believe me, enjoy it. I'm not telling a lie. You see me, I say. So, as always, I don't know if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about something like this. You see me, I say to you. Alright, my people, my name is Skilla, and this is just say the dancer Skilla ENT. On a big up on yourself. You see.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.